Top of the morning, y'all. Bah! I wish I could celebrate St. Patrick's Day every day. But you too can have a little luck of the Irish with your next fix and flip. All you have to do is reach out to us at GOAT Funding. With the GOAT, you really don't need luck because we strive to make sure you're a success. And how do we do that? By walking side by side with you from start to finish, reviewing values, repairs, marketability, and much more, making sure there aren't any hidden landmines. Dang, just dropped another one. We turn over every Blarney Stone and clover leaf to ensure nothing gets missed. So check us out at GOATFundingGroup.com for your next hard money loan. So come shamrock with us. And I'm off for some more green beer. By the way, guys, you think the hat's a little too much?